You know that feeling when your RV makes a sound it shouldn't? Yep, that happened again on our last trip. We thought it was nothing, but after getting home, John realized the brake adjuster spring fell off again. Real RV life isn't all about campfires and wineries. Sometimes it's crawling under the trailer with tools and hoping it's an easy fix. John is replacing the trailer brake assembly today, and we are bringing you all along for the fix.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you made it. Today I'm here because of an issue that I've had a couple weeks ago. I did make a video on it. Unfortunately, the repair did not take, and it has to do with my brakes on my trailer here. It's just the one brake, it's the front passenger side. What happened was a couple of weeks ago, we noticed a metallic sound. So we were on our way home from the trip. Luckily we were still in the campground, pulled over, took the wheel off, took the hub off, come to find out that the spindle adjuster was completely off, and it kind of like disintegrated. I don't know what happened. The spring was like all shot. So I'm thinking, oh great. And it's only a year old. We have about 5,500 miles on the trailer, so I don't know, maybe it's to be expected. So anyway, to get home, I just took it out and basically ran on 3 brakes. Came home, ordered a new spindle, spindle adjuster, replaced it. We went on another trip last week. On the way home, as we were parking the trailer in the garage, I kind of heard kind of more of another metallic sound. So I'm, oh great, now what? So I jacked it up, took the wheel, took the hub off, and this is what I found. Okay, so the problem was when I replaced the new spindle adjuster, what I didn't realize were these arms right here. They were bent from the previous incident, and I didn't realize that. So when I had this put in, it probably wasn't getting a good bite or something, and it eventually was coming out. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and replace this whole brake assembly, and I already have the new one that I got from E-Trailer. I already disconnected the wires and the ABS brake sensor. So hopefully it shouldn't be an issue. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit here, put my gloves on and get started, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there's 5 bolts basically holding this thing in. It's a 9/16. So go ahead and loosen those. Okay, those are all gone. All right. That slips off. Okay, you can see how bent that arm is right there. So yeah, it's definitely caused issues. All right, so let's get this this new one on, and hopefully we'll have more success. Okay, so when you buy these things, obviously you gotta let them know that it's a right side hub or brake assembly. It says right here, right hand. And really, there's only one way to put it on, because right here is where the sensor goes, so you know it's going to be on the top. So just go ahead, line up the holes like so. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure the wires came out on the other side, so which they're not, so I got caught up here. So, oh, they're out there. Okay, make sure. There, like that. Wires are there. Make sure I get the sensors there. So I'll go ahead and put these nuts back on. And the last one, which is right here. There we go. Let's get started. Got it started. All right. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna torque those down, and the specs are 45 to 50 pounds. So let me get the torque wrench and we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, I got it set at 50 pounds. Tighten these things up. I'm gonna do the same thing, kind of a cross pattern. All right, there's that. Okay, got that done. Now what I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put my sensor in place right here. It slides in that hole thusly. And then got this bolt here that goes in place. Okay, folks, almost screwed the pooch on that one. I had the bolt going in the wrong direction. So I changed directions, got her all tightened down. Everything's good to go. The only thing I have to do now is I'm going to go ahead and connect the trailer brake wires together. Gotta go get the connectors. And once I do that, go ahead and I'll probably put a bunch of grease on the spindle, put the hub back on, and re-grease the bearings, and hopefully she'll be working in no time. So let me go get those connectors and we can start connecting the electrical wires together. Okay, so I've got this shrink wrap protector here. I'm not sure if I need it. I'm going to put it on anyway. These butt connectors are insulated, so I'm going to put this on here like so, thusly. And if I can find my pliers, great. There we go. Okay. Grab it. Crimp it. There. Little tug, make sure it's good to go. And we'll go ahead and shrink this down. Okay. that done. Now I'm gonna slide this other one over it. Well, this piece is not gonna fit over that. Okay, obviously, ladies and gentlemen, these shrink wrap protectors are the wrong size. So what I'm going to have to do is go to the hardware store and get a few more, a different, bigger size. I thought these were it. So I'm going to go ahead and hold off on that, of course. Never fails, right? Let me go ahead and connect the other one up, though. So we'll have that done. There. Okay. That should do it. Yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and get electrical taper up, and I think we can call that. I'll get some zip ties, zip them up so they're out of the way and they don't rub on anything, kind of like how they got this one all done up. Okay, folks, I got that all buttoned up. I went ahead and just put some electrical line or wire over those butt ends, and then I got the shroud, and I went ahead and got it all zip tied to the axle. So that should be secure. Next, we'll get this hub put on. Okay, so I went ahead, I had some grease left over from one of my tubes from my grease gun. There was enough in there, so I pulled that out, and I'm just gonna put it all around the spindle here. There. I don't think you can have too much grease on it, to be honest with you. Okay, try that. Okay, let's get this hub on. There we go. Bearings in. Get the washer in. It's fairly clean, hopefully. Okay, castle nut. Okay, the washer should be in there. I'll back off. Line up the holes. There we go. Cotter pan. Let me go ahead and grease it now. Then I don't have to worry about taking that stupid rubber thing out. There we go. Now we'll get rid of it. Should have a little mallet here. And that's it, except for putting the wheel back on. Clean up, and I should be good to go. Okay, I got the tire back on. I went ahead, prior to that, I went ahead and put some more grease in there, just to make sure. So, days waiting for that part to come in. Okay, I torque these things down. Let's see, should be 110 pounds. Okay, that's it. Hopefully everything went as planned. I won't know until I take it out again, which should be shortly here. We do have some trips planned out. But if you like this, let me know. Drop a comment. I'm sure I did things that weren't right, or I could have done things better. And I'm not a professional mechanic or anything like that. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. And if you can, hit the like button and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. So until next time, take it easy, have a good one, and we'll see you on the next trip.